Giddy up airplane into the sky. Giddy up higher. My, oh my. Can you make some airplane sounds? Would you like to go fly? Let's spread our wings and fly. I crouch down low, my wings are ready. Moving slowly, steady, steady, faster, faster, running by, I run and jump into the sky. Soaring, 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 airplanes are soaring, 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 way up high. Soaring, 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 airplanes are soaring, 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 way up high in the sky. It's time to land now. Down I come, lower, slower, all done. Have fun flying, my friends. For those of you who are in the Away We Go program, your home activity book has a page that includes the picture of the plane, and it is intended to cut it into 2 pieces to make it a simple puzzle for your child. Of course, you may cut it into more pieces if your child is ready for a more complex puzzle. You might also want to apply it to something thicker if that helps them to put the puzzle pieces together. There's also a couple of ideas on the page about the importance of just simply doing nothing, like sitting and watching planes going through the sky, which of course we'll have the opportunity to do plenty of that with the Sun and Fun coming up in Lakeland. Hopefully you're will enjoy some of the opportunities to see that. Oh, and I would highly recommend going to see the hot air balloons. Woo! One of my favorite things. I hope you guys have a wonderful time, and I'll see you in class. Take care.